What's going on, everyone? My name is Larry Norris. I am the creator of the SEO Chrome extension, as well as the founder of Red Tools and also RedSEO. Today, I thought I'd give you a quick walkthrough of the SEO Chrome extension and just to showcase some of the features that it offers. So the website that we're going to be using for this example is Sprockets AI. As you can see, I have the SEO Chrome extension pinned right up here to the top. And if we click that, we can start to get an overview of everything that exists on the website. So the first card here showcases kind of the essential information, the quick information that you might want to know. For example, we can see if the site is indexed or not. We can see the estimated word count. We can see the total number of images and then the total page size. Right here in this section are all of our page speed metrics. So we have LCP, INP, and then also CLS. And if we keep scrolling, we have meta title, and then we also have meta description, and we can get the character word counts on each of those. If we keep going, we have canonical URL, the meta robots to see if it's index, follow, and all the other applicable information, and discovered sitemaps, and also the robots.txt. And if we click any of these, we should be able to open all these up into new tabs and to be able to go in and investigate further if we needed to see any of the additional information in these files. Going back to the website, we can also see the headings. And another thing you can do also on this page is you can hit copy metadata. And if you go to a spreadsheet or this could be a Google Docs, you can actually paste it. You can paste the meta title and also the meta description. This is really handy if you're doing some sort of page optimizations and you just need to extract that quickly in your document to showcase to the client. Moving on to headings, you can see the complete header hierarchy in chronological order. You can also get a quick overview up at the top here of each individual header and how many tags are in each category. And if you like to copy them, you can hit copy headings and you can actually paste them into any sort of spreadsheet or document that you'd like. The format on this, depending on how many breaks are in each header, will determine if there's these gaps. This is currently something that I'm working on, but if you just hit unique, you can actually get a cleaner outline that way. The next item is links. This is one of my favorite features of the tool. If you click the links tab, you can see the both internal and external links on the web page, and you can actually copy these quickly into a spreadsheet as well and get the URL and also the anchor text of that URL. Additionally, you can also search through these links. Let's say if I wanted to search JoJo, this URL, I can actually hit JoJo and it will give me all the JoJo slugs. Same is applied to the external links. You just have to clear it and then search what you're looking for. The next item is images. Right here, you can get a quick summary of all the images on the website in this section right here. So there's a total of 120 images. 160 of them have alt text, and then 4 do not have alt text. You can see the extraction of each alt text and the image that's applied to it. And then you can also hit this toggle, and this will actually populate the alt text on the screen, highlighted in yellow. And if you untoggle that, you can see that it goes away. So it's a really great tool for just investigating image information on a web page. I find it to be really beneficial and effective. And then additionally, you have the schema tab. And in this case, there's no schema on the page. But if we go over, this is the Red Tools website. And if we go to schema, we could see that this page has software application schema. And this is what this would look like if your URL or whatever URL you're looking at has the applicable schema on it. If it has more than one schema markup, it will populate over here as multiple schema markups, and you can toggle between each one. You can also hit copy schema and copy it to your clipboard and paste it wherever you'd like, whether it's in a Google Sheet or a Google Doc or a Word doc. Lastly, we have the tools section. Now, this is pretty comprehensive in here as far as all the tools that you can play with. So I'll just highlight a few of them and just briefly talk through some of the others. The first one's design mode, which is personally my favorite feature of the whole entire extension. This is really effective when you're on client meetings and you just need to showcase something quickly on the web page and edit the copy. So if we toggle this, and we go back to the web page, we can now click into the actual text and we can remove things. We can edit things. Instead of saying sprockets, we can say our company, and we can edit anything. We can even do the buttons. So if we wanted to take out this and just hit demo, we could take this and say the works. We could edit any sort of HTML on the page, which is awesome. This is nothing that's actually live on the website. So if we refresh the page, you can see that it goes back to normal. But this is really great if you're on a meeting or if you just need to put together a quick mock-up on some copy that you're thinking about delivering to the client for SEO, just to give them a quick preview of what it should look like or what it could look like. After you do the design mode and make edits to the copy, you can also hit capture screen and it will take a screenshot of the whole entire page. So if you want to do all of your revisions that way as a proof to the client and then take a screenshot of the page and send it to them, then they can quickly review it and sign off on it or make edits that way. Some of the other features are highlight page headers. So as you can see, if I toggle that, this header is now highlighted in yellow and all the other ones that are headers on the page are highlighted. This is really great for just getting quick snippets for where the headers are at, because some headers might be hidden or nested in other places. So this is a great way to just quickly extract those. You can also highlight no follow links. There's not going to be any no follow links on this web page, but if you're, let's say, on a website that has articles, let's say they're a publishing website and they're doing a lot of guest posting, you can actually go through and see which links are no follow links within that web page. You can also check Wayback Machine, and then we skip past this one. You can also toggle the show image alt tags, similar to what we saw right here, also from this toolbar. These tools right here are actually linked to the RedTools platform. So if you click them, it's going to take you to an external link, and you can have additional tools right here. And additionally, we have some other items. We could do body text extractors. So this copies and pastes all the body text of the web page. So after you click copy, that accordion will close, but you can see here that it extracts all the p tags and all the header tags of the web page. And then we can also extract all the menu navigation links at once, and this works similarly to the links tab, where if you copy them and if you go into here and paste them, you can see that this is all of the menu navigation links of the web page. For me, I use this for doing keyword research on a new client, because I really want to focus on the main pages and the menu navigation first before expanding to other pages on the website. So this is a quick way for me to extract those easily. The next one is the XML sitemap extractor. So the tool will go through and actually extract the known sitemaps that it discovers. If there's multiple sitemaps nested within this, you might need to go in manually and grab them. But if you take this sitemap URL, and if you copy it, you can paste it right there and hit download CSV. It will download the CSV right there. And then this will have all of the sitemap URLs inside of it. Some of the other tools on the bottom here, if you click this, view page speed insights, it will actually run a page speed test on the URL, which is really helpful and a time saver. Additionally, you can look at the Google cache. You can look at Google About page about this domain. You can see the related search for this URL. And then also the Google Trends, schema.org, Google Search Console Analytics, and Whois domain lookup. So this is some of the amazing features of the SEO Toolbox. I hope you guys find them beneficial. If there's anything that you would like to see added to this toolbox, feel free to reach out to me through email and let me know, and I'll be happy to add it. Thank you.